All right, y'all. So I'm pulling back up to the place now. Um, I'm at the Secretary of State office in Florida. That's where I was born. If you think about going to get your birth certificate authenticated, you're gonna need to do it at the Secretary of State in the state where you're at. So let me see. So for the state of Florida, that's Tallahassee, which is where the state capital is. And this is the same building where you would come to physically if you needed to do your business registration. Like I remember when I applied for my business registration online, I was having issues with it. It was taking a long time, so I ended up having to come up here in person. And boom, they knocked me out within 30 minutes. I was in and out with business certificate registration in hand. All right, business registration certificate. My bad, in hand. So this is the same building that you would come to. All right. So right now what I'm doing is just filling out the I'm filling out the form, the application that they gave me to fill out for the birth certificate authentication. And so what you have to do is fill out this application, and then you take it in. The lady told me that once I go in, somebody would be with me. And so oh shit, damn, I filled that out wrong. I'm probably gonna have to get another page anyway because I messed it up. So anyway, I'm finna go get this application, and you gotta get a prepaid or get some postage on the envelope and have it pre-addressed to yourself. And then basically there, once the authentication process is done, they will mail you the official documents in the mail, which they say takes like 7 to 10 business days. All right. So also you will need to get a money order. They do not take cash, and they do not take cards. So you'll need to get a money order or a check. Would be fine. I heard the business checks are okay if that's all you got, and definitely personal check. Okay. So I got a big manila envelope from the Dollar Tree, and you want to get a big envelope because you don't want to have you don't want them to fold the documents up when they're mailing them to you. All right, so you want to make sure that you get a bigger like manila envelope like this right here. All right. So I don't know if y'all can see that. That's what I'm getting. All right, we're gonna get the postage in advance. I put $3 on here because I don't know how much it's going to take, but I plan on getting a couple of copies. And usually the copies I think are like $10 a piece. But if the Secretary of State has authenticated, I think if it's from another county besides the county that you're in, getting it done, then I think it's $20. So I'm gonna check and see. Hey, how you doing? I came in here yesterday. I was gonna get my birth certificate authenticated. I had to go get the money order, and I didn't know I needed a return envelope. So, do I use the same application that you gave me, or do I need to get another one? Okay, all right. And when I put the return address from y'all, is it this address or this address that goes on the envelope? If you're getting your apostille, you can get it done today. I'm sorry, so what now? If you're getting your apostille, you can get it done today. Yes, but don't they mail you something in the mail? Like, okay. Okay, thank you.
I'm downloading the forms now. My printer was offline. They had to go get it online to start.
forgot my birth certificate. I'm just getting one gun, so I think it's just here. Just number both. Okay, so listen, make sure you have your birth certificate. I forgot to mention that they say some states only do apostille, so we're gonna see if they do the authentication or not. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. If they don't, then I know it's, I think, an additional step that I have to do to send it in to get it authenticated officially. So I'm gonna check on that. So, all right, so I got a money order for $50. I'm gonna try to see how many copies that'll get me. I don't know if it's gonna be too much or not, but in any event, we're gonna see.